Valentine's Day is all about love, thoughtfulness, and a little surprise. So, what better way can you share your care other than making a personalized DIY gift box that is actually filled with goodies? So, in this video, I'll be showing how to craft a gift box by yourself and also be sharing my choice of gift for this year's Valentine. So, sit back and enjoy. First, I'll be creating the lovely box. Remember, presentation matters a whole lot. So, I actually got this carton and it's quite cheap. I bought it for 100 naira as at the time of making this video. So you can choose to get something bigger or something smaller depending on the size of gift box you want to make. So just go ahead and take my measurement. I'll be creating a rectangular gift box of 14 by 9. So this is me crafting out the measurements on the carton because in construction, accuracy matters a whole lot. I actually want the height of the gift box to be 3 inches. So basically I'll be crafting out 2 pieces of 14 by 3 and 2 pieces of 9 by 3 inch. So I'm actually done with the measurements. I'll just cut the carton through, then show you all the final look. So here is the final look, and our base is 14 by 9 as I said earlier on. And I also have 2 pieces of 14 by 3 and 2 pieces of 9 by 3. So this is what I'll be using to construct the gift box. So just for confirmation, I'll be using a tailoring tape to show you all. Remember I said accuracy matters a whole lot, just so you don't end up with a gift box that one side is actually bigger than the other. Once you've gotten this step, it makes the construction process much more easier. So just go ahead and set this aside. So at this stage, if you have any old calendar, just bring it out because I'll be using this white part of the calendar to cover up the carton. But if you don't have a calendar, you can just simply use a cardboard sheet. So the calendar or cardboard will actually serve as the internal color for our gift box. So you need to be intentional about what you want. So just go ahead and cut the calendar. So this is the cut calendar. I actually added 2 inches to the measurements I used for the carton. So just place the carton on it just so you can be able to see what I'm talking about. So if you look through, you notice that the calendar is actually bigger than the carton. This is actually because I added 2 inches to the measurement. So I'll go ahead and apply gum on one side of the carton, then cover it up with a calendar this way. So I'll be folding the edge over the carton, and I'll be repeating the same process for all the carton. You can also choose to cut this edge of the calendar. This will enable you to be able to seal it up very well. So just in case if you don't have a liquid gum, you can also use a tape as I'm doing right now. Just know that the main goal is to cover the carton with a more presentable wrap. Either you're using a calendar or you're using the cardboard sheet. I'm actually done covering the carton with the calendar, so just go ahead and join the edge with the tape just the way I'm actually doing it. Ensure you actually seal the edge very well, and using the transparent tape is actually perfect for this. I'll also be securing this part of the edge, and as you can see, the shape of our gift box is gradually coming together. So guys, this is what we have at this moment, so just go ahead and set it aside. So this cut cartons here will serve as the cover of our box. So the measurement is actually greater with 2 inches, just so you can be able to cover the box properly. So I'll be repeating the same process just as I did with the base. Okay, this is what we have for now. I'll just go ahead and seal up the edge. So our box cover is actually ready and it fits in properly to the base. Just in case if you want to construct yours, just make sure that the cover should be at least 2 inches higher than the base like your measurement. So this red wrap is what I'll be using to cover the box. I'm actually using red because it's a season of love, I mean Valentine, but you can choose to use any other color depending on what you're actually creating this gift box for. So this is me checking to know if the wrap is actually sufficient for the box and is actually perfect. Just in case your gift box is actually bigger, bear in mind you might use about 1.5, 2 or 3 of the gift wrap, just depending on the size of gift box you want to make. So mine is actually perfect. I'll just go ahead and secure the wrap into the box about 1 inch into the box. I know this process is actually getting much more interesting, so please if you're coming across this channel for the first time, I'm Joy by name, and in this channel I share recipes on how to make a healthy meal, juice, smoothies and also creative tutorials like this. So please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't, and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new creative videos just like this. Be sure to like, share to your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much. So our base is actually ready and it's looking all pretty. I'll just go ahead and repeat the same process for the top. So guys, just look at what we have here. Our handcrafted Valentine gift box. I also wrapped little carton. This will actually serve as a demarcator. So for that extra touch of design, I'll be placing a ribbon across our box cover, although this is totally optional. You can choose to make a bow or probably make a flower at the middle of your box, but for me the wrap I use is already busy with design, so I decided to cross it with a ribbon. Just in case you want to follow this method, ensure you secure the edge very well with either a glue or a tape. So guys, here is the final look of our gift box. It's actually looking so gorgeous. So tell me what is actually stopping you from constructing a gift box yourself. It's actually very simple and very affordable as well. So guys, let's fill up this box with love. So first, I have homemade cake here. It was actually made without an oven, without a mixer or any experience in baking. If you're interested to know how I made it, I'll be sharing the full recipe on my channel very soon, so consider subscribing to the channel just so you don't afford to miss it when I upload this video. I'll also be placing the demarcator. This will help to protect our cake because I still have a whole lot of items to add. Next, I have a pack of popcorn. I mean, what a special moment without light snack. For that cool refreshing taste, I also have homemade zobo. It's actually a very healthy drink, a go-to drink for all time. I also have some apple for that natural sweet treat and some peanuts because it actually goes well with popcorn. So I'll be filling up my box with some box filler, although it's totally optional. This is just me being extra. So to make the gift much more personal, I have a heartfelt message here. You can choose to have yours handwritten or probably typed like mine. I also have a little flower. I mean, what's Valentine without flower? So at this moment, I'll just go ahead and cover up our gift. So for this part of the box, I want it to be a little bit busy, so I'll be placing a heart on it. Remember that this gift was actually crafted and made with so much love and intentionality to your loved one, or probably to yourself. So would you like to receive this kind of gift? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you next time with another creative idea. Until then, do remember to spread love to one another and do have a lovely Valentine celebration. Bye!